New at 10, a show of support tonight for Ottawa County Public Health. Hundreds of people worried about potential cuts to funding.
Our Matt Whitkos has been covering the proposed changes for us. He joins us live tonight with what we've learned about the proposed budget. Matt.
Yeah, Josh and Janice, Ottawa County has released an updated version. Fox 17 is learning the biggest cuts are communicable diseases, dental's miles of smiles, family planning, and immunizations. All programs that Officer Adeline Hambley did warn us about earlier this week. Tonight, we're hearing from families and employees who may be impacted by these cuts. A large show of support.
I mean, it's emotional. We're all feeling some sort of emotion, and I think we all feel the love that we're getting today.
We support you.
Ottawa County health employees walking out at 5 o'clock.
We support you.
To a crowd of cheers and some tears.
I am very hopeful, and if the outcome doesn't, turn out to be what we all want it to be, I hope it still saves a lot of the services that the families around here really need and rely on.
The Ottawa County Health Department in a battle over funding. The department sending Fox 17 this statement that reads in part, the Ottawa County Department of Public Health is not a political organization and is not affiliated with any political party. We respect each person's right to freedom of assembly. Health Officer Adeline Hambley explained to Fox 17 that its new budget came at the hands of County Administrator John Gibbs and the Fiscal Service Department. According to her, they're getting $4.3 million in general fund contributions and using $1.4 million from its rainy day fund, an increase compared to the one chairperson Joe Moss suggested last month of $2.5 million in general fund dollars.
So the current budget that we're looking at, even with the adjustments that have been made, is still 22% higher than the FY19 budget. This is going to have an impact on the county budget of reducing overall spending. And so we are going to see savings in the general fund spend from the overall county budget.
These potential cuts on the minds of many families in Ottawa County, like Ross DeHaan, whose daughter was born with a birth defect.
Children's Special Health picked up the difference in her child care. It keeps her going to therapy and things like that, gives her an opportunity to grow up normal like everybody else.
The county is still working through the budget. Fiscal 2024 year starts in less than a month.
So, to these commissioners, the Department of Public Health is not fear-mongering. You are all fear-mongering on made-up culture war issues and retribution for perceived grievances, all the while causing real fear and real consequences for families like mine and children like Addison. So much for protecting childhood innocence.
We did reach out to Gibbs and Moss for comment, but have not heard back. There is a public hearing scheduled for the 12th. The commissioners are expected to vote on the budget closer to the end of the month. In the control room, I'm Matt Whitkos, Fox 17 News.